Hello student, right now we do exercise 4.1, chapter 4th, simple equations of class 7th, sum 6 plus example of this exercise. Statement is on your screen. Irfan says that he has 7 marble more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has how many marbles? 37. Write down. Irfan has marbles equals to 37. Write down here according to question. At the right hand side, you will write 37 constant term, and we have to balance it with the left hand side using a variable term. 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Then we have take Parmeet has marbles. Let we take Parmeet has marbles X. Then according to question, 7 more plus 7, then 5 times of the marble, 5x. 5x plus 7, that is Irfan marble, in numeral that is equals to 37. Situation done. आपने सिर्फ इक्वेशन ही बनानी है, सॉल्व नहीं करना इन क्वेश्चंस में अभी, बिकॉज स्टेटमेंट इज सेट अप ऑन अ इक्वेशन. इट्स सेकेंड पार्ट. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Write down. Lakshmi's father's age equals to 49 years. That will comes to right hand side. He is 4 years older. बड़े हैं than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Let Lakshmi's age, that is x years. Write down here according to question. Right hand side 49 years, we have to balance it with the left hand side in variable term. He is 4 year older plus 4, then 3 times Lakshmi's age is x. 3x plus 4 equals to 49. That is the equation. After it, part third. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained मिलना, a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7, and the highest score is 87. Write down. Highest score equals to 87. We put it right side. Let me take lowest marks. We don't know its value. That's why we'll take it x marks. Lowest marks x. Now balance it according to question. Right hand side 87 in variable. 87 is equal to marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark, 2x plus 7, that is equals to 87. Statement is on your screen. Now the last part, fourth. An isosceles triangle like this. Isosceles in which two sides are equal. Vertex angle, that is vertex angle is twice either base angle. These are the base angle. Let me take base angle Rx. Let base angles x. We can use here another variable also, Y, Z, T, A, B, C, as you want. Mostly we will use X. Then vertex angle, twice of X, double है. According to question, what we know, क्या जानते हैं? Sum of three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Vertex angle 2x, base angle both are xx equals to 180. 2x plus 1x plus 1x makes 4x equals to 180. That is the situation, that is the equation. Example 1. Form the equation. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. 3 times of x and plus 11 is means equal to 32. Equation becomes. Next part you have to try yourself. Example 2, first part. Convert equation in the statement. Statement to equation. Now equation to statement. Subtract 5 from x, we get 9. You have only write here. Subtract 5 from x, we get 9. Answer. Example 3. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Read statement carefully and you should know meaning of every word to write the situation. Raju's father, Raju के पापा, age is 5 year, more ज़्यादा है than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father age is 44-year-old. Write down. Raju's father's age equals to 44 years. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. Let Raju's age, what is we take? Let it be x years. According to question. According to question. 3 times Raju's age 3x plus 5 makes father's age equals to 44. 3x plus 5 equals to 44. That is the equation. We can solve it by using transposing method and can find the value of Raju, age of Raju. But we do this one solving part in next exercises. Example 4, last example of this exercise. A shopkeeper sells mangoes in 2 types of boxes. What type of these boxes are? One small and one large. A large box contains as many 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. Set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small boxes. The number of mangoes in the large box is given 100. Solution. Number of mangoes in a large box, that is 100, constant value. Let us consider number of mangoes in a small box. X mangoes we have. Okay. According to question, right hand side 100 mangoes in big box. We have to balance it with the left hand side using a variable. A large box contain as many 8 small boxes. 8 small boxes means to say 8x plus 4 loose mangoes. That is big box. In big box, how many mangoes? 100 makes a situation. Okay guys, clear? Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling everyone.